I look after all the preventative maintenance in our 82 facilities, our 3 maintenance facilities, and our 165 portables. I'm also a program specialist. I look after sizable projects and keep in contact with contractors for larger projects as well. My training is through Conestoga College through a 3-year program through the day release. My career is relevant and fulfilling in the way that it affects people's lives, as in I've been told I'm rare, that I'm a trailblazer. I started when I was 16 in co-op in high school, and I was registered as an apprentice through the OYAP program before I even graduated from high school. It pegged me as being rare as a woman in a male-dominated trade, where when I started there was only 1% of women as industrial millwrights. Today, over 10 years later, there's only 3%. The number is growing. It's made me a huge advocate for not just the trades, but women in trades, as well as the gender and the age gap. It's led me to be an active participant with Skills Ontario since 2004 in the promotion and advocating of trades. As an industrial millwright, the STEM skills really helped me, especially in the fact of math. Math was a big one, especially when it came to rigging and hoisting. I had to be able to properly do the calculations to know how much weight can I lift. Is this an uneven load? How can I lift it safely? Knowing my sciences allowed me to do things with gases for welding. Being able to have the technology background. I did a lot in high school for just machining that I never had before. That brought me so much more advancement by the time I hit college, by the time I was even in my apprenticeship in the workforce. It allowed me to have all of these skills ahead of time, the fact that I knew what I was doing already by the time I hit the shop floor. When I was in high school, I was slotted to go to the University of Toronto for forensic criminology. I was taking advanced classes, I was taking sciences, and this is nowhere near where I expected to be. Co-op was an opportunity that I didn't know existed, and I did a complete flip in my career. And now I'm somewhere where I had no idea where I would be. I'm a licensed tradesperson. I'm the president of an association. I'm a maintenance planner scheduler. I'm also a mom. I play baseball. I do all these different aspects. And a lot of them got to where I am from asking questions. When I give keynote speeches, it's one of the biggest things that I say is ask questions. You don't know the answer. How can you make an informed decision if you don't know that answer? Being able to network and ask those questions, I feel is what's gotten me to where I am today. It's been able to allow me to broaden my experiences and get me into different aspects and locations where I never thought I would have been before, I never would have thought of before if I hadn't have been asking those questions. The advice that I would give to someone interested in STEM or the trades or something similar to my career would be sign up for the courses, sign up for the events, things like coming to Skills Ontario or Skills Canada. So many people, when they think of the trades, they think of the traditional trades. They think of car mechanic, they think of cook, they think of stylist, but there's so many trades registered in Ontario that so many people have no idea even exist. But coming to different events, signing up, asking questions, you get to learn so many more things about how many different registered trades there truly are in Ontario.